Hey guys, this is Parth Gemini and you are watching the unboxing of Micromax Canvas Fire 2. As we can see this that we have bought it from Snapdeal. Now let's start the unboxing. As you can see that's nice packaging from Snapdeal. That's more than nice packing. Now guys, that's the time to watch the new Micromax Canvas Fire 2. Canvas Fire 2 with dual bursting speakers. You can see the specifications. It got 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, primary 5 megapixel autofocus camera, secondary 0.3 megapixel fixed focus camera, a 4.5 inch screen, full HD video recording and playback, GPS, 3G speed up to 21 Mbps, and having 1 GB RAM, 4 GB internal storage, and having a quad band Android 4.4 KitKat, a 1900 milliamp hour battery. And guys, now we start with the unboxing of the package. First we see that the MRP given is 7,999, but we buy it for a cost of 5,999 from the Snapdeal. Now let's start the unboxing. The color which I buy was a black combination with gold. Now the first we see in the box is the new Micromax Canvas Fire 2. I will keep it aside for some time and first unbox. Now let's see what's inside. We can see the USB cable, a 1900 milliamp hour battery, a screen guard free. The company is giving the screen guard as this phone is not available in the market. We get various guards, manuals and SAR appliance. And this is the earphone and this is the charger. You can see there's simple wall charger from the Micromax. They have improved pretty well in this segment. The earphone with 3.5 mm jack. They are of pretty nice quality. There's no gold plated. That's the simple which we see in other phones. Now that's all are the contents. That's all are the contents of the Micromax Canvas Fire 2. Now let's start with the quick review of the phone. As you can see, this phone is pretty much lightweight without battery. The specifications are given. This 4.5 inch WVGA screen, 5 MP camera, Android KitKat and quad core. Let's remove the cover. That's pretty nice screen. Here in the back side, it's a plastic, but it looks like a glass. It has some patterns given. Here is the volume locker. This is the power unlock and power up key. This is the 3.5 mm jack with USB connectivity option, and on the left side there is nothing. You can see that all around it is covered. It is surrounded by the bezels, gold color bezels. You can see it makes it look like Apple iPhone 5 or Canvas Night. Let's open the back cover. You can see a card for a memory card slot, SIM 2 and SIM 1. SIM 1 supports 3G and this supports 2G. This is the 5 megapixel camera with LED flash, and in the front we have 0.3 megapixel fixed focus camera. Let's put on the SIM card. We can see that it's a 1900 milliampere battery. It's a lithium polymer battery. Let's place it. Close the cover. The cover is pretty flexible. Let's put it off. That's fine. Now let's quickly unlock power on the phone. You can see it has Android 4.4 KitKat, which is the latest one, 4.4.2. Now I'll be back in some minutes by completing all the tasks. Now we are back with the new Canvas Fire. Now let's start with the specification. Now let's quickly give you the details about the phone. Let's quickly decrease the brightness. As you can see, it doesn't have light sensor and doesn't have the auto brightness system. Let's let you quickly show about the software. It is KitKat. That's the latest one. The company says that they will give the on the year updates for all the Canvas phones. Let's hope. Now you can see that there are dual speakers in the front. One is at the top and one is here at the bottom. Now let me show you first the benchmark. Let's install the N22 benchmark. That's pretty fast. Let's open it. Let's quickly start the test.